today what we are discussing is that humankind, mankind, is not about wars, strife, fight, controversy. In fact, the age of communication is this. This is the age of news and news breaking. But what does news do? When the news is about all the goodness, then the people are not quickly attentive. We don't get attention. When the news is about something murder, some disaster, something bad, something negative, the human mind is made in such a way that it grabs the attention. So therefore, there is sensationalism in the news so that the attention can be grabbed. And it is often projected in the media and the news that the humans have done this and this. There is a war, people are killing, there is a fight. In Lalu Khet there is a fight. In Gwal Mandi there is a fight. You know, they project it that way. In New York, people have broken the Fifth Avenue and they looted, and there was arson and there was vandalism. Because that's how you get the attention. The news media inculcates this and gives the impression that the humans inherently, in their genes, genetically, they are fighters, they are against each other, they're into killing, they're destroying the mother nature. The research that has been conducted over last century and over many years, it has been seen that whenever there is strife, there is some problem, there is some big issue, the humans tend to unite. When there is fire in Australia and the cities are ablaze and the animals living in the jungle are being killed because of the fire, the people get together and they fight the fire. They don't fight the fire with fire. You never fight the fire with fire. The wars end in peace, but many lives are lost. The fire is always extinguished by water. So the humans, whenever they fight against each other, when they're quarreling with each other, this is not their human nature. The humans by nature are cute, lovable, affable, and friendly. This time and age is not about survival of the fittest. It is about survival of the friendliest. But it is a paradigm shift. It is about how we believe. If we believe in this, then things can work out just fine. So the mankind is about kindness, forgiveness, gratitude, and love and mercy. This is how the mankind will flourish. Even the Germans and the Japanese, on whom atomic bomb was thrown, if they had kept the vengeance in their heart, if they kept the vengeance in their heart against the Americans, they would not flourish. But they let go and they moved on. And that's why Germans, and particularly the Japanese, despite Nagasaki and Hiroshima's atomic bombs, today Japanese are one of the most advanced nations of the world. So humans inherently are not such which murderers or looters or negative. Inherently they are loving, kind, and lovable. So think over it, and we will discuss it even further on some other day.